Alright guys, so what you want to do next is picking nulls. Nulls are pretty much just groups, non-existent objects. I'm going to call this first one ankle GRP, search for group, snap it to the ankle, freeze the transformation, and select the IK handle, select the group at P, and there we go. So this is pretty much the process making that happen. And what it does is that we're going to use these groups as points or sections that it'll allow our rig or the joints in certain sections to stay where they are, and they'll move within the hierarchy so that we have that, can achieve that nice movement that the feet has. Okay, so another null, and then call it foot tip GRP. You can always mess with the pivot point of this so that you get that rotation of this part of the leg. And this is pretty basic leg. You really, this middle joint is pretty much not functional, so that you would get this type of, it pretty much freezes this joint and do not allow it to move with this joint. So unique trick, and we move this pivot of this group to this middle, and that's another function of this middle joint, so that we can achieve this type of movement in our leg. So what you want to do next is just select all the group, group them together, and then just call it foot. And then what you want to do is just do not move it, just hold down D or hit insert, find this guy, and then snap it to that joint that we made. So now you're going to see why we made this joint. So whenever I select the whole foot, I can actually move the whole thing. And you can always do this. So you know, it's like, now it's functioning like a real leg. This middle, really, we don't really need this movement, so you can actually just, yeah, lock and hide, whatever, or just hide, because we may need to rotate it in a way. But anyway, here you go, quick and easy how to make a leg. This is just one way how to make a leg, and you want to make a pole vector so you can actually control the knee as well. So yeah, you can actually do that. I can actually show you how to do that in another video, which is pretty easy. So yeah, have fun guys, have fun making legs, and watch out for my next videos.